So I am all checked in. Meron na akong ito IV. And yeah, just waiting for my turn to go to OR. Good morning mga ka-friendships! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Today po ang araw ng aking operasyon ng tinatawag na hysterectomy. Kasi nabanggit ko sa ibang vlog ko na meron po akong kasing laki ng ganito, grapefruit, 12 cm po na myoma. Pero dahil ako naman po ay mag-44 na at hindi ko na rin kailangan ng aking uterus, nag-decide na po ako na magpa-hysterectomy kasi kung iiwan ko po ang aking uterus, malaki po yung chance na may panibagong myoma na mag-grow. So, it makes sense na magpa-hysterectomy na. Ito ang aking pusa na si Dorito. Anyway, yun po. And then, try ko na lang ma-share ko ano po ang ma-share ko throughout the day. Okay, wish me luck po. And we're here na po sa hospital and we'll get ready for my total laparoscopic hysterectomy procedure. So mga friendships, andito na ako sa hospital, na check-in na ako, meron na akong IV, and then just waiting. The whole team should be here soon. Anesthesiologist, the surgeon, the nurses, and I think kinukuha na nila si Brandon, so Brandon can sit here and wait and hang out with me. So so far I'm feeling pretty okay. Good morning mga ka-friendships. Kamusta po sa inyong lahat? It's been a while. Di po ako nakapag vlog kasi po na operahan na po ako ng aking total laparoscopic hysterectomy March 4th. So today is, I believe, day 5 post-op. Thank God, every single day, I feel better and better. Napakagaling po ng doktor ko at ng entire medical team. And praise God, kasi kahit yung katawan ko, I can tell, nag-bounce back sa surgery ng, I would say, maayos. You know, it's day 5. This is the first time I got dressed up at me and my husband will go for a ride. May konting errands lang. Obviously, I'm not gonna push myself really hard. At but you know, slowly have to incorporate light activities, at napaka-importante yung gumalaw-galaw to keep the blood flow going. At para maiwasan yung blood clot. Kahapon, I managed to be able to walk for 15 minutes, pero mabagal lang, slow-paced, and that was my limit. Today, I woke up, day 5, nagluto ako ng breakfast, paunti-unti, mga paghuhugas-hugas ng mga plato, dishes. I managed to change our bed sheets, pero very calculated ang movements, hindi aggressive, you know, slow lang talaga. So anyway guys, I'll vlog kung ano yung mga gagawin namin today. So, samahan niyo ako sa adventure namin today. Okay guys, first car ride after my surgery, 5th day post-op. So we'll see how it goes, and should be fine. Taas naman ang energy ko. So tara na, simulan na natin ang lakwatsa. So ayan, makikita nyo, it's a nice day, clear blue sky. You still see all the trees we have here. Wala pang dahon, but malapit na ang spring. At soon, lalabas na ang mga dahon ng mga puno na yan. Dadaan kami ng railroad, pero clear naman siya. So, no need to stop pag wala naman dumadaan. So, again, makita niyo yung mga bahay. And then, there's an old church right there. Yan. And ito, mga maliit lang na downtown restaurants, coffee shops, insurance company. Ito merong bridal boutique store. Tapos may barber shop din, and itong toy store, it's a old toy store. Ayan. Yung mga daan dito. Maganda yung mural niya. Okay, kasi makikita nyo example ng funeraria sa mga namatay. Tapos ito police station, katabi niya fire station. More houses, probably as early as, what do you think, honey? Some houses are...
These are bungalow style houses where the attic is occupied. That one's brand new.
That one is brand new.
But these are called bungalows, so I think they were built around the 1920s through the 1940s.
Matatanda na mga bahay. Ito, ayan, ang tiga-pick up ng recycle. Pag-green. Oo. Recycle. It's a nice day. You can see, no? Basura. First time na almost 70 degrees today. So, it's a nice day. Hindi na kailangan magsuot ng winter outfit for today. Pero babalik yan. It's still gonna get cold. It's only March. But today is a nice day. Subdivision. Mga bahay dyan, mga 500,000 and up at the moment. Ito naman, apartment. Bagong apartment, brand new apartment. Yan, mga workers.
Silver Lake.
Silver Lake.
There's
Ayan.
tons and tons of lakes in Michigan, and so many of them are called Silver Lake. It's like the cliche thing to name a lake. And Michigan is full of lakes. So first of all, we're the Great Lakes state. 4 out of 5 Great Lakes prefer Michigan. And we also have tons and tons of inland lakes like this. Minnesota likes to brag on their license plates that they are the land of 10,000 lakes. Well, Michigan has more lakes than Minnesota. They're everywhere around here. There was some explorers who came to explore Michigan a long, long time ago, and they reported back to their king that it's an uninhabitable, mosquito-infested swamp. But since then, like 80% of the marshy wetland swamp has been filled in or dredged out into lakes. So we still have a lot of swampland here, but fortunately, a lot of it's been filled in. But we're not allowed to fill it in anymore because you got to leave some for stormwater capacity and for the wildlife that relies on it. So you can have $1 million homes on the lake back there, or here's a trailer park that's on its lake, on the lake, so they'll have their own little private beach there on the lake, and it's more affordable.
Diba, may pa-komentaryo pa ang asawa ko. So sana may natutunan kayo ng konti. Michigan, ang tagline sa amin, the Great Lakes. Madaming kaming lake dito, which is great kasi fresh water lake. Dito tayo guys sa Lucas. It's another Coney Island, but we love this place kasi maganda ang quality ng food nila dito. So dito kami sa Lucas, Coney Island, at nag-crave kasi ako ng salad at grilled chicken. Yun ang hinahanap ng katawan ko. So papakita ko sa inyo pagdating ng order namin kung ano ang itsura ng isang classic na Greek salad. Ayan, ito siya guys. Classic Greek salad. Meron cucumber, beets, feta, pa ba? Onions, tomato, feta cheese. And then, ito yung dressing na. Sarap to. Hinahanap ng katawan ko, gulay at protina. So, yun lang. After neto, pupunta kami sa grocery store. And uuwi na kasi kailangan ko magpahinga. Ayan. Tapos sa ilalim, meron siyang garbanzos. So, masarap siya. Cucumber, black olives, beets, onion, tomato, lettuce of course, garbanzos, at red onions. Pepper. Healthy yan. It's really good. Very fresh. Yan ang total ng small Greek salad with grilled chicken and order of cheese sticks. $28.62. Siyempre, mag-iiwan pa tayo ng tip. You want asparagus? Asparagus?
It looks good.
Dito na kami sa Kroger. Kuha kami ng gulay tsaka protein. So,
See,
does
it's
that
never
look
as
good?
it's never as good as what I grow. So
Ayan siya.
I would just
Don't
wait.
wanna do it. Okay.
We're gonna
He
be
doesn't
overwhelmed with. Oh,
think-
that looks okay.
Yeah, I think so too. You gotta grab a plastic. Then we got broccoli at pang stir
But
fry.
we're gonna have spare.
So this is good for bulgogi style na ulam. Brandon likes this. I'll saute this with oyster sauce and onions and stuff like that. So ito, got chicken, beef, and then chicken liver for my iron. Hindi ka na. Ayan guys, all different kinds of hot dogs, sausage, Polish sausage, smoked sausage, and then here,
Expensive.
tapos dito naman ito mga frozen chicken tenderloins, wings, mga bacon, expensive. Little bacon. Not too bad, but it's still $8.99 for that, averaging $8. $7.29.
12 ounces or 340 grams. Yeah.
Switch tayo because it's heavy. I can't lift more than 15 pounds, but even if that is about 10 pounds, I still will avoid lifting heavy things for now. So, ayan. And then, Cheez-Its. Do you need like Cheez-Its? Chips. Ito na, puro mga chips. Ito, mga crackers. Ayan na. Tostitos, Sun Chips. Ito, mga Chips Ahoy. Mahirap mag-uwi ng mga ganito kasi uubusin lang namin. Lalo si Brandon has the sweet tooth. I need to get prunes I want to get prunes, like dried fruit section. But yeah, we try to avoid kasi finish the entire thing. Prunes para sa pampapupu. Okay guys, chocolate section tayo because I'm getting...
Pasalubong.
Soon we will shop for pasalubong, but this is my favorite. Fruit and nut classic yan. Sa mga balikbayan boxes, usually Filipino families would always send that chocolate. I think we're done. Magbabayad na tayo. Self-service na lang kasi konti lang naman yung items. So, konti lang yung items, guys. We don't wanna overdo it kasi I can't be walking too much. I'm ready to go home and rest after this. But we got vegetables, prunes, chicken, beef, chicken liver, Doritos, prunes, milk. So, ayan. Self-service para mabilis. Okay guys, so ang Starbucks ngayon, itong kanilang bagong drink, ang Ube Fever dito sa Amerika, talagang palumpaluna na ito na feature na ng Starbucks ang coconut ube drink. So, let's try it. Dito na tayo sa Starbucks and let's try the ube coconut drink. So, itong Starbucks brunch na ito nasa loob ng isang grocery store. And ako personally, hindi na ako talaga masyadong bumibili ng Starbucks. Sobrang bihira na talaga. And kaya lang ako nandito as to really try yung ube coconut latte. Otherwise, ano na lang ako sanay na ako sa black coffee. At anything na may mga extrang sweet cream and sugar, natatamisan na ako. And yung in-order ko na small lang na size ng latte na ito is... I think $6.50. So, mahal na rin talaga, di ba? So, imagine if you're one of those who buy latte every single day. Hey guys, ito na. First taste to, ha? So, be honest with the review. Yung unang nasa ilalim is coffee. So, all I can really taste is coffee. I don't know if I can really taste the beef. I don't know. Honestly, it tastes just like a latte to me. Like coffee with milk and sugar. So I think the purple is really just for effect. I can't really taste the ube taste. One more. Yeah, it just tastes like coffee with milk and sugar. Okay guys, dito naman naglalakad kami papunta sa loob ng Pet Supplies Plus. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng Pet Supplies store. So again, hindi ko malasahan yung ube. It just tastes like coffee with milk and sugar. That's it. Ito ang loob ng Pet Supplies Plus. Makikita nyo dito may paliguan ng aso. Self-service yan. And then, grooming. And then, ito, titignan lang namin kasi alam nyo naman may pusa kami. So, we're trying to see how much is cat litter.
It's more expensive here.
So, to give you an idea, yan, $12.98 for that size. And then, yung malalaki, expensive, all the way to almost $22. Doggy! Cutie! Tapos ito, paborito ng mga pusa ko to. We should get it's on sale. Temptations, treats for our cats. So, yeah, malawak ito. Madaming mga dito, tinda. Ito naman sa mga mahihilig mag-aquarium. Ayan. gecko, oh. Ito mga isda.
Consider it if it collapses down in the stores.
Aquarium.
Because I know the dog. Yeah. With the bird cages.
So we're looking for a dog cage kasi my husband is into vegetable gardening. And this time of the year, nagsisimula na siya ng seedlings. So at this point, ibig sabihin nagtatanim na siya ng mga buto. So yung mga buto na yon nagsistart na mag-sprout. Meron kaming 2 pusa sa bahay. So we need to protect the seedlings, the sprouts from our 2 cats na kainin. So, ang solution namin ay bumili ng cage to protect yung mga sprouts ni Brandon. Tomato, peppers, bell peppers, ganyan, jalapeno, because he's really into vegetable gardening. So, guys, dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating vlog at magpapagas lang kami. Mahal ang gas ngayon dahil sa war sa Iran, 'di ba? So we are almost full, but we always like to keep a full tank gas. So anyway, halo-halo ang naging vlog natin today. At sana na-enjoy nyo kung ano man ang na-share ko sa inyo today. As usual, makiki-follow na lang po, makiki-like na lang po, share, makiki-subscribe na lang, at kung may gusto kayong sabihin, comment na lang po kayo. At I hope nasa magandang kalagayan po kayo, lagi po kayo mag-iingat. At hanggang sa huli po, salamat sa oras niyo ng panonood. Again, ako po si Jennifer, ang inyong kaibigan na Filipina dito sa Michigan. Signing off, uwi na ko at kailangan ipahinga ang katawan. And until the next vlog, bye-bye po. Thank you po.